Hope y'all having a good morning, day, night, whatever it is. It did snow last night. Now I should have just went out last night, bro, because as you can see, the road, it's not snowed on anymore, bro. Like the sun melted all of it, but it's still wet on the floor and stuff like that. So I decided we can still make something of it. I just really wish I just went out last night. You can look at their roof right there, and it's all snowed on, and there's snow in the like grass right there, snow in the grass up here too. You know, there was snow, okay, and I know in the last video I said it wouldn't snow at all. Yeah, I was just trying to get it to snow with some reverse psychology. I can't even front, like yo, and I don't want to say it worked, but you know, it did snow, so like W, you know. But I hope it snows more and it stays on the floor, because it literally did not stay on the floor whatsoever. It's wet though, because it all melted, which is somewhat of a W. So I mean, that's cool, but not really what we were looking for. We'll start it off with a nice little slide like that. It's definitely slidable today. I'm going to the park though to see if anyone's even drove in it. Going to a park over here. Maybe we can get some snow action. Oh, dude, all the snow is gone out of here, bro. And there's just people walking their dog in this weather, bro. What the flip is wrong with these people, bro? We're just gonna flip all the way around right now, bro. Usually there's tweakers down here, but today it's just a bunch of freaking civvies, bro. Straight up. I've been playing too much Ready or Not, calling these boys civvies. I mean, that's what they is, though. Cannot front, bro. That's what I am, basically. Except I am like sliding the car, bro. Which, yeah. We don't want to talk about it. Gonna go to the famous spot that I love, though. See if there's any snow over there. If there's no snow over here, I know it'll be like pretty wet on the floor, so it'll slide good. So we'll just do what we can, you know. Of course, there's oh, dude, there's snow over there. We'll slide over there, bro. We'll slide over there. Okay, so there's a Doritos truck with nobody in it though. Nobody in the Doritos truck. We do got, I'm gonna have to blur the side of that just because it says the whole store name and I ain't trying to drop the low like that. Okay, there is some snow right here, which we will slide in. Is that a tractor, bro? Yo, there's a tractor. Oh, it's a snow plow. Oh, dude, I don't think I think the surface truck is staying back here. Oh, dang. Yo, that snow makes it so slippery, bro. I can't even front. That made it like super slippery, bro. Yo, I'm not used to sliding in the snow. Yo, we spun out on them, bro. It's too easily too, bro. I'm just gonna whip it around right here. Yo, dude, that snow got me. I thought it was snowy back here, but it was just a little frosty. It wasn't really anything. Yeah, we chilling. I'm gonna hit it one more time. I don't like to stay in one spot for too long at all. Yeah, the snow is definitely making it different for sure. I can't lie. was pretty lit though. Yo, I'm getting a little greedy though, I will admit. This is the last time, bro. I just wanna come through one more time on them. One more time. Come on, bro. One more time for the gram. For the gram, you know? Last time, bro. Please don't be nobody coming in. Sick, dude. All right, we'll dip out of here. We'll dip out of here. We hit it quite a bit. We hit it quite a bit, bro. We hit that low key. We hit that low key. All right, we're gonna try to hit this corner that I did last time. There we go. Holy, we had a lot of shock factor coming out of that. I can't front. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, we slide in that, bro. I said last video we gonna slide that better, bro. We eating that, bro. No diddy. But we going crazy on that. Jeez, there's so many people out here, bro. Yeah, that was kind of not the best, bro. It's just kind of dry right here, so. Yo, I just saw a golden sliding spot, like just one corner, but dude, nah, we ain't gonna do it though, cause it's in some freaking apartment. Y'all know my rule if you watched last video about apartments, bro. I don't mess with them, bro. Simple as that, bro. I don't mess with them, bro. It's just not, bro. They ain't the spot. Sadly enough, they ain't the spot, bro. But that's just how it be sometimes, you know. Yeah, we crazy like that. Now we kind of crazy like that. Oh my gosh, yo, they getting it on, bro. Yo, they getting it on, bro. They getting it on, bro. Alright, well that'll probably be like the end of the video. We hit a couple of good slides. We got a lot of good practice, a lot of good confidence. I was trying to hit the slides a lot faster today. Higher speeds, like up in the 35, 30, 40, you know, stuff like that, you know. And I think, you know, we did a good job of doing so. So you can just tell from how much resistance there is when I come out, just like the whole car shaking and stuff. Yeah. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a good rest of your morning, day, night, whatever it is, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.